Hey everybody, it is Tommy Atomic, and today we are unboxing or unbagging Ipsy. And I changed my Ipsy. I'll tell you, it's a monthly subscription service where you get samples. You get 5 deluxe size and full size items. And you also get to shop Ipsy pop-up shops, which give you discounts on some full size and sample size items too. And I think it's a pretty cool thing because you get to try a lot of new products that way. And I mean, I like it because I get to try new products. I get to try a lot of mascaras and use them without having them expire before I use them up. And there's a lot of good hair products that they have, and I can try a lot of that. And you know, I think it's pretty good service. The only thing is they are going up in price. It was $10 a month, then it was $12, and now it's like $12 plus a shipping fee or service fee or something. So it's more like $14, something like that, maybe $15. So I kind of feel like it's a little bit, it's getting to the point where it's a little bit more than the value. I mean, not necessarily, but you aren't getting like a super good value, I think, for what you're getting. So I do like the service, but I think it's getting a little pricey. So what I did was I went to a, instead of once a month, every other month. So I will be unboxing these less. But let me go ahead and show you what's in here. So I got this brilliant body bar. I must have ordered this. Oh my goodness. It's the soap. It's really pretty smelling. Citrus Spritz. So I think I must have ordered this extra because you can order extras. I think I did anyway. And the other thing in here is a face mask. So that's got to be with my Ipsy order. So Incoming Icon is this month's. Oh, you know what? The soap is part of the package. It wasn't something. That must sound silly. Like, did I order this or did I forget? But I was looking at this at one point, thinking that I wanted to order it. So I just keep smelling it. So I just forgot and thought that maybe I had at some point. But I didn't. So it comes in my bag. So that's really exciting. I like that. And then again, there's this face mask. And then here's the bag. It's real kind of beachy with the starfish and some waves and everything. That's pretty. Let's see what else is in here. So far we have one full-size soap and then one face mask. And then there's sample of Tarte Maneater mascara. I like this mascara. I really like Tarte Maneater. And I'm just fresh out of mascara, and I like to use these for, you know, a month usually, or maybe a little bit more, and then they're usually used up. So I don't have to throw away anything just in case, because you have to throw away mascara due to bacteria reasons. And the next thing in here is Miss Flower and Honey. And this is a rejuvenating lotion. So let's see. It's a deluxe sample of moisturizer. I think it's for your face. I think. I'll look into it more, but I think it's for your face. But it might be for body. Okay. And then the last thing in here is Dear Beach. Dear Beach? Is that a pun? I mean, that's a weird pun. Warm Peach Lip and Cheek Cream. I do like cream blush. I wouldn't use this on my lips. It is very sheer. I think that would be a really pretty blush. And I can't wait to use it. It is a sample size, but it usually takes me a while to get through blush. So that's the other thing. It usually takes me a while to get through blush. So this size will do me good. Know what I'm saying? So that is everything. And I'm pretty happy with that. And it's also a pack of 2 face masks. I didn't realize that. Okay, so I did go down to every other month, but I'm pretty happy with this. You know, it's at, I believe this is still at the $12 mark, but it might be at the $14 mark or whatever. I'm still pretty happy with it. You know, if they're going to give us a bunch of full-size things, 2 sheet masks instead of 1, that kind of thing, I mean, it is a little bit extra value, but I still think that going every other month is probably the best way for me. So let me know what you think. Do you get Ipsy? What do you think about the raise and the hike in price? Do you do it monthly, every other month? What's going on? Talk to me. Let me know all about it in the comments below. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.